In floor cleaning, we have been collaborating extensively with Cleanfix and the RA660 Navi for about 7 years now. With its large tank and docking station, the robot can practically operate around the clock, 24/7. If it ever happens to run out of water or energy, it will automatically return to its station in order to refill and recharge itself.
So Früh is using the RA660 Navi XL with the server version, which allow them not only to take elevators and open doors, but also allow them to interact directly with other AGV. In this case, the Stöcklin AGV Egeland. What impresses me in this installation is when you go inside the factory, you could see everybody just walking around, and the AGV and the cleaning machine, they are part of this company. They're not afraid about all those autonomous vehicles, and they just work with them together to reach the goal of this company.
It is truly an impressive and innovative concept for autonomous multi-floor cleaning, offering remarkable efficiency.